Okay, let's take a look at this one. This is a stockholders' equity and reporting earnings per share problem. Here, I'll just read it that you see right here. For several years, Arbin Inc. has followed a policy of paying a cash dividend of 39 cents per share and having a 9-cent stock dividend. In the 2011 annual report, Arbin reported restated earnings per share for 2009 of $1.01. So on requirement A, what we've got to do is calculate the original reported earnings per share. All right, well, we know it starts off with $1.01, and the secret here is to work backwards. By the way, this is reported for 2011. Okay, so what do we report for 2010? Well, just work backwards. Take the $1.01 and multiply it times 1.09, so you can calculate the consistent 9% stock dividend. And what that means is we had $1.10. Now I'm rounding it to 2 decimal places, but if we didn't want to round, it would look something like that. Okay? So that means in 2010 what was reported was $1.10. Now if I just copy this, I should be able to calculate what the 2009 would be. And this should say 2009. We're working backwards. So what we have is take the number above and multiply it times 1.9 again. And you can see the formula here, or up here. So as soon as I hit enter, we get the new dollar amounts. Now I'm going to go ahead and format that like the one above it. And that's all that's required to calculate the original reported earnings for 2009. Okay, now you see on the screen that I changed it a little bit. This is the next part of the question. It says, calculate the restated cash dividend per share for 2009 and reported in the 2011 annual report for comparative purposes. Okay, so what we've got to do here is this. All right, from the previous screen, we know that they're paying a constant 39-cent dividend. So what we know is, and by the way, this is the answer from what we had there, so I'm going to override this, change all of this a little bit. What was reported in 2009, let me move the mouse off the screen here. I'll just work here. What was reported for 2009 for dividends was 39 cents, right? So if I put 0.39, we should get that. Oh, if I can put the year in correctly. So that would mean that was what was reported in 2010. Again, my typing's not the best this morning. 2010 would have to be the 39 cent before the 9% stock dividend. Okay, and the way we calculate is take 39 cents and divide it by 1.9. So we know the original amount reported. We need to compute the restatement going forward. If I divide that out, it basically said that we were reporting 36 cents, right? And this is just, really just reading it and using math to come up with the answer. Now I'm going to copy this again. Reported 2011 would then be equal to the 36 cents again. So I'll take what was above, 36 cents, and divide it by 1.09. So that gets us 33 cents, and that's how we solve this part of the question.